Hello and welcome everybody in my today's live session. I would like to welcome each and everyone who has joined this today's live session, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for joining this live session because this live session is going to be very, very informative for each one of you. Because in this today's live session, I am going to talk about today's very exclusive, okay guys, today's very exclusive airdrop, which is only exclusive for the GT holders. All right guys, it is only exclusive for the GT holders. So, guys, this session is going to be very informative. I just want each and one of you to please stay connected till the end of this live session, guys. Okay. And one thing I would like to tell everybody, at any point of time, if anybody wanted to ask me any question related to the current topic, okay, I'm there to assist you. I'm there to help you out. Okay. You just you just you just write your query in the inbox. I will read it out and share with you the same. So guys, today's my topic is exclusive GT holder exclusive airdrop. Okay. Akuma INU Akuma project. Okay. So this is my today's important topic of today's live session. All right. So this airdrop is mainly for the GT holders. Exclusive Akuma INU AKUMA from pilot session is live. Okay, and the project name is Akuma INU, which is in capital form AKUMA. Okay, so today in today's live session, I'm gonna share with you important rules about this project. I'm going to share project information to you, its subscription time, and when you'll start the trading of this very important GT exclusive airdrop. Okay, before proceeding to my topic, I just wanted to share some information with you. What is this startup projects means? Okay, just wanted to give you some short disclaimer. What is this startup means, and how you can participate in this exclusive startups of in the Get.io platform. Okay. How you can participate. What is Get user? You have written Alcester O Bagista. Can you please write it down in English so that I can get you what you have written the ask the question. Okay. Please Get user, if please if you can write your query in English, I will understand. Okay. All right. So again, I would like to welcome everyone. Okay. So good evening everyone. Good evening and welcome in my live session. Everybody, welcome in my live session. Now, before proceeding to my topic, I just wanted to share startup participation tutorial with you. Just a short disclaimer. Just you should watch this, okay? And I will proceed to my topic. So this is necessary for you to watch this tutorial, okay? And listed below, written below the written explanation of this startup tutorial, okay? So please, guys, just watch this, okay? Then I will proceed to our most important topic of today, okay, which is very exclusive, very important airdrop, GT exclusive airdrop. Okay, so just watch this, guys.
What is Gate.io startup? Gate.io Startup is one of the biggest platforms introducing early-stage projects spanning AI, DeFi, GameFi, Metaverse, and more. You can discover potential projects here, participate in Startup and receive free token airdrops. Startup has successfully launched over 1,000 projects, with total participants of 14 million, a subscription amount of more than $100 million, and APY of 16.49%. How many tokens I can claim? Non-VIP users will be randomly selected to win airdrops for each project. The total airdrop amount for non-VIP users will vary depending on the project, and the number of winners and the airdrop amount are not fixed, while for VIP users, they are 100% guaranteed to receive the airdrops. The higher your VIP tier, the more shares you can claim. Are there any requirements to claim Gate.io Startup free airdrops? You only need to complete KYC verification and hold no less than $10 to claim free airdrops on Gate.io Startup. How to claim free airdrops on Gate.io Startup? First, log into your Gate.io account, click on Profile on the homepage and complete the KYC verification. Check your wallet and hold no less than $10 spot assets. Click on Startup on the homepage to access the Startup page. Click on the projects in progress and click $0 free to claim. Navigate to the project page. You can check the project introduction here. Click $0 free to claim. Tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. Please note that there will be no fee deducted to claim free airdrops on Gate.io Startup. You only need to hold no less than $10 to join. In addition, Startup also provides exclusive airdrop subscription opportunities for users holding GT tokens, allowing them to participate in early-stage project investments and receive project token airdrops. Participation requires only holding 10 GT token. You can go to the Startup page and enter the projects labeled GT Holders Exclusive. Then you can click Hold GT and claim free. Tick I have read and agreed subscription agreement and click Claim Now to complete the subscription. You can check the airdrop results in the subscription history or on the project subscription page. By participating in Startup subscriptions, you will have more access to some potential projects and stand a chance to reap substantial rewards in their early stages.
So guys, this was a short tutorial, okay, and you need to know how you can claim exclusive airdrops, okay, and these exclusive airdrops can be claimed by both VIP users or the non-VIP users. Just you need to do is you need to complete with your KYC verification on Get.io and log into Get.io account and just you have to hold 10 USD in your asset spot, okay, and you can claim for free. Okay guys, you can claim for free different exclusive airdrops on the Get.io platform. Get.io platform provides you very you can say specified form of different projects, and Get.io is one platform where you can claim millions of airdrops. So just you need to done with your KYC verification and you just have to hold no less than 10 USD in your asset spot and you can claim for free different exclusive airdrop. Okay guys, so this is one of the significance which you are getting on the Get.io platform. Alright, so this was the tutorial, easy steps to participate in the startup. Yes, there are easy steps and how to participate in the startup. This was the short tutorials which I have made you see. Now there are some startup frequently asked questions. Okay, let me just done with this. Okay, then I'll proceed to my topic of today. So guys, what is startup? Okay, many of you must be aware about this startup. Okay, and those who are not aware about this startup projects, so this is the short disclaimer for them. Okay, and those who are aware about this startup project, you stay connected, guys. After completing giving some short information about this startup, I will proceed to my today's topic, which is airdrop, Akuma INU airdrop. Okay, then I'll proceed to this wonderful topic. Now, what is a startup? You can go through about startup in get.io platform as well, but my job is to make you understand before telling you to invest in any startup. Okay, so my job is to make you understand very completely. You must have whole knowledge about startup programs. Okay, that is why I'm just explaining this startup. Okay, so please guys stay connected. If anybody wanted me to proceed to the topic uh, directly, then I will do the same for you as well. Okay, so now get.io startup is the world's largest token launch platform where users can discover potential projects, participates in startup, claim and receive token airdrops. Startup allocates tokens to users based on a share system. Eligible users can claim a certain number of shares. So the more shares you can claim, the more tokens you receive. Okay, now VIP label airdrop. Okay, how can I eligible VIP free airdrops? Okay, also you are getting a free airdrops in VIP. So how can I be eligible to participate in startups? All users participating in startup claims are required to complete KYC2 verification and hold a spot of balance of a spot asset with not less than 10 USD. So this is the spot lucky draw VIP 0 lucky draw available shares. It's the listed below. You can go through in the get.io platform as well. Okay, the higher the VIP level is, the more shares you can claim. Okay, यहाँ पे ये सारा दिया हुआ है. So do I need to pay for the startup claim? Okay, many have this frequent questions, and the question is, do you need guys, do you need for to pay startup? So no funds are required when participating in free airdrops claims. Got my point, users? No funds are required. Okay, no, definitely no funds are required when participating in free airdrops. Okay. Oh yes. So another I just read out the important FAQs. Okay, not the whole one. Okay, which I believe ki you need to know and which is important as per my POV. I'm just sharing that FAQs with you only. Okay, so that I will proceed to my topic. Do I need to keep a sufficient balance in my account to participate in startup? This is the frequently asked questions. Okay, for startup airdrops, sufficient balance is not required anymore before token distribution after claim. Okay, how many times can I participate in startups? You can participate in the same startup only once with each KYC account, but you can participate in other startups and programs. Okay, when I will get startup tokens? Okay, once you have subscribed a token, when you are supposed to get the startup tokens. So the final sale result will be announced before trading starts. All right, so this was the some important FAQs. Okay, yes, so now our airdrop, okay, which is Akuma INU. So this is the GT holder exclusive airdrop. Okay, so what is this GT holder exclusive airdrop, guys? So the GT holder exclusive airdrop claim is an exclusive claim opportunity provided by Get.io startup for GT token holders, allowing them to participate in early stage project investments. Okay, ये सारा दिया हुआ है. How can you participate in multiple GT holder exclusive airdrop subscriptions at the same time? Yes, you can participate in subscriptions for multiple projects at the same time. So this was some FAQs. Okay. So now only one important, this question is, then I'll proceed to the topic. So token, how many tokens can I receive? Okay, many people asked frequently this question, how many tokens I can receive, you can receive. So tokens you receive depend on GT holdings. Okay, the more GT you hold, the more available shares you can claim, and ultimately the more tokens you get. Token received is equal to shares subscribed multiply tokens per share into distribution ratio. Token per share and distribution ratio vary from each project. Please refer to the announcement of project airdrop result. The more shares you claim, the more tokens you can receive, you will receive. All right. ये सारा आपका important था FAQs about the GT holdings. Okay. Participation tutorial I had already shared with you. Participation tutorial. Participation to step by step. Okay. बहुत ज़्यादा ये important नहीं है. So I am just leaving this topic. Now I am proceeding to my, get back to my topic. Now once I complete the topic, okay, then I'll get back to important FAQs. Okay. Important FAQs. Now this is our topic. Okay guys, this is the topic of today, and this exclusive airdrop, which is Akuma INU, in capital form AQUMA. Alright, so what is this Akuma airdrop? Alright guys, so story, which is intro. Okay, so this is their, okay guys, it is their official website. ये इनका official website है यहाँ पे. I am highlighting its official website, which is akumainu.io. Okay, if anybody wanted to know in details, okay, you can read it out by yourself. Okay, in the official website by going to by reaching their official website. Now, forged in the frenzied fires of market volatility, Pseudomyna 27. Can you please write your query in English so that I got you? 27, Pseudomyna 27. So now, what is forged in the frenzied fires of market volatility, Akuma INU has emerged as the embodiment of the Dijin spirit, wild, unyielding, and relentless in the pursuit of crypto supremacy. Okay, crypto supremacy. On base chain, the underground arena where Akuma INU cut its fangs, known among the crypto degens as the origin pit. Base is where fortunes are made and lost at the speed of light, and only the shrewdest survive. Alright? Here, in the depth of the origin pit, Akuma INU harnessed the raw, untamed power of high-stakes trades and uncharted digital frontiers. Each transaction on the base blockchain is a pact with Akuma INU, sealed with the thrill of the gamble and pursuit of glory in this volatile dance of devilish delight. Okay. We told you Akuma INU song. ये सारा है आपका अकूमा INU का token, AI generator base meme token Akuma INU. So these are the meme token, guys. Okay, base meme token Akuma INU. AI generator coming soon. Tokens available are, you can see the figure here. Chain is best chain. Turbo listing is DEV sponsored turbo listing fee. Okay. So यहाँ पे if anybody have any question, okay, you can ask me. Okay. यहाँ पे about this topic. Alright, guys. So trading com live on Vanilla Finance about. So our values, what is their values? So Akuma INU, at its heart, the devil dog. Akuma INU values order out of chaos. We have implemented strategies of minimize the ruggability or snipping of the project. Contract address is also given here. These are the details which I am reading out on their official website. Okay, Unleash the Beast. Now, base, a new wave in the best meme coin. Unleash the best beast. Unleash the best beast. A new wave in the base meme coin. So by now, Akuma INU is not merely a token. It's the birth of a legend. With a supply cursed at this much. Can you imagine, guys? Their supply is this much. Okay. It represents the ultimate challenge to Doge, Shiba and their kin. Promising an epic saga of conquest, strategy and community spirit. The battlegrounds of the base blockchain have never witnessed a contender quite like Akuma INU, with its unparalleled speed, efficiency and near zero transactions. Okay, zero transactions, guys. So ये अल्टीमेट चेंज है. इट रिप्रेजेंट्स दिस न्यू meme coin, base meme coin represents the ultimate change. So it bring ultimate change to some other meme coins which are Doge, Shiba and their Keen. Alright, guys, so we will not deny the fact that this meme coin has coin has come with lots of different strategies. Okay, which is making it different from other meme coins. Now, we are all about creating a big wave with many tokens. So, our price is set where anyone can join a lot of meme coins. On base R1 to 5C, we aimed to make it cheaper so everyone can join in some meme degen fun. Okay. So ये रहा आपका okay, guys. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. If anybody have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay. Coin market cap listing. So still it is not listed on the coin market cap. It is about to list on the coin market cap. Okay. Now, I am the coin who concurs. Oh wow. So this quote, ये quote खुद में काफी ज्यादा बहुत ही ज़्यादा बोल सकते हो आप रिप्रेजेंटेबल है अबाउट दिस न्यू एक्सक्लूसिव एयर ड्रॉप. ओके, सो I am the coin who concurs. So I have already told you that this meme coin has come with lots of different strategies, apart from other different meme coins. Okay, so coming soon, powered by Dell E. Guys, powered by Dell E, endless creativity. With Dell-E's AI, the limits are bound only by your imagination. Customizable templates tailor your memes for any occasion, mood, or trend. Real time generation, create a share your memes in seconds, not minutes or hours. Community driven, join a community of meme enthusiasts, share your creations, and get inspired. Alright, you can join there. You can join on X as well, and they have the Telegram as well, and I will share how their official X ID as well. Okay, please stay connected. Join the Legion. Join the Crusade. Share the word. Join the community. Join the Shed with Akuma Iron You, your ultimate weapon against the tyranny of mediocre meme coins. Embrace the dark might of the night devil, Pomerian and prepare for liftoff to uncharted territories. Akuma INU isn't just poised to moon. Alright, guys, Akuma INU isn't just poised to moon, it's destined to carve a new legacy across the stars of the digital universe. So, guys, this is something very, very different. Okay, guys, as I am reading out about them, I am realizing that this exclusive airdrop is really something different, especially this meme coin. Okay, is different from other meme coins. Okay, so what is written here is, let me read out this line again because this line holds very important place. So Akuma INU isn't just poised to moon. Okay, Akuma INU is just poised to moon. It's destined to carve a new legacy across the stars of the digital universe with a battle cry that resonates. Okay, with a battle cry that resonates through the depths of the blockchain. Akuma INU is your call to arms. Rally the troops, sharpen your claws, and let's know the world the true power of a legendary meme coins. Okay, the era of Akuma INU is upon us. Okay, guys, so it is up to you guys, whoever is watching this live session of mine, guys. This era of Akuma INU is upon you guys. Okay, will you join the fight and soar beyond the moon? Hello, get welcome, Biba. You welcome Biba in my live session. Okay, got my point. Anybody have any question related to this exclusive GT holder airdrop? Okay, you can ask me. Hello, Angelana. Welcome. Okay, will you join the fight and soar beyond the moon? Alright. Now, let me see, is there any about is done, that tokenomics is done. Tokenomics I have read out, na? Tokenomics here given. destination chain Polygon, token USDC. Okay, token USDC. डिपॉजिट वाया एक्सचेंज यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. I have read it out about them. Contract address, contact us. So you can contact them. Okay, it is given their address. Okay, you can go to this contact address, guys, and their telegram link is also mentioned here, which is tg.me. Okay, guys, tg.me, their telegram link, and you can contact them at Akuma, which is AKUMA @AKUMAINU.io. Okay, so these are the their links. Buy links is also given here. Base swap link, email address, collabs. You can collab them. Biba, thanks dear. Your big fan and supporter, bro. RR is also supporting you in stream from post and likes. Yes, I have seen bro RR support in my comment section as well, and I really admire that. Get user, should we hold or sell? Get user, can you specify me which coin, about which coin you are asking me? You wanted to hold or sell? If you can specifically set this, write your query, then I will got you. Okay, I will understand easily about which coin you are asking me. Get user, if are you there? And thanks to you, Biba, for your support, and I really admire all of you, my streamers, who all support. Okay, who all support me. Thank you so much, all of you, for your support. It really means a lot for me. Shakura. Thank you. Get user 527CB159. You are asking, should we hold or sell? Can you please tell me which coin you are asking me, as I am explaining the exclusive airdrop, GT holding airdrop. Okay. If any information you wanted from me about other coin, please can you write it down? Which coin you are asking? So you can see there. You can see there view contract as well. Okay, about token, about तो मैंने बता दिया. I have done with this page. Okay, I have done with this page. They have given their Instagram, okay, X and the Telegram. Okay, now about this exclusive GT holding airdrops. Okay, so you need to go to this. Okay, and you have to go to the startup programs. Okay, now startup यहाँ पे हम लोग गए इस पॉइंट पे. टोकन लॉन्च एंड एयर ड्रॉप्स, accumulated airdrops. So total accumulated airdrops which GT is having is this much. Okay, this much, guys. GT is taking total GT rewards mined is this much, guys. Okay, so these are the exclusive airdrop which you can claim, and we have to see this Akuma exclusive airdrop. Okay, Akuma exclusive airdrop. So start subscriptions. You can start your subscription in within 19 hours 50 minutes. Okay, within 19 hours and 15 minutes. After that, you can start your trading. Okay, after that, I think the timeline is given around, if I'm not wrong, it is 9 a.m. 20 UTC, 24th of January, which is tomorrow. Okay, still you are getting a time to complete your subscription. Guys, you start your subscription and I'm giving you the information how can you start your subscriptions. Okay, all right. So the airdrop amount you can claim depends on the amount of GT you commit, which everybody knows this. Okay, everybody know this. Now, total participants of them, okay guys, total participants of them is 68,550. Okay, so they have this much of participants with them. Total committed, total committed are this much GT. Total committed are this much GT. And how you can claim? You need to hold GT and claim for free. Just you need to do what? You need to hold GT, guys. Okay. Alright guys, तो आप देख सकते हो. Anybody have any question? Okay, anybody have any question? Please feel free to ask me. Okay. All right. Anybody? If you have any question, guys, please feel free to ask me about this project, this airdrop, exclusive airdrop. Now, there given is a short VIP, current VIP level and lucky draw your rewards. You can check out all of these by yourself as well. So project information before ये यहाँ पे let me read out the project information first. So project introduction, Akuma INU. So this is their logo. Project introduction, forced in the frenzied fires of market volatility, Akuma INU has emerged as the embodiment of the degen spirit, wild, unyielding, and relentless in the pursuit of crypto supremacy. We are the next big dog on base. Okay. Now, who is the founder? Who is the founder of this exclusive GT holder exclusive airdrop? So the founder name is, forced in the frenzied fires of market of volatility, Akuma INU has emerged as the embodiment of the degen spirit, wild, underlying, and relentless in the pursuit of the crypto supremacy. Okay. Now, information for startup. Startup supply, they have huge startup supply, guys. Information for startup, they have huge startup supply and 100% unlock rules. They have 100% unlock rules. Okay, so everybody wanted to know कि what are their visions. Okay, as we know कि yes, some airdrop have come. So what every airdrop comes with different visions. Okay, different highlights. So what is this? What are the vision of this Akuma INU airdrop? So Akuma INU is less than 60 days old and has already become the second largest crypto meme coins on the entire base blockchain, guys. I told you that Akuma INU is grabbing the attention as a meme coin. Okay, and this different meme coin Akuma INU have left behind other meme coins like Doge coins as ones. Okay, so Akuma INU is less than 60 days old, just less than 60 days old, and has already become the second largest crypto meme coins on the entire base chain. Akuma INU is nearing a 1 billion MC in valuation. And what is their tokenomics? Okay, all you need to understand their tokenomics. Currently, Akuma INU has a use case of trading cryptocurrency online. Akuma INU does have a very well detailed white paper. I had already explained here their white paper. You can go through their official website. This is their official website, guys, which I have highlighted here. Okay, you can go by your own and read it about them by your own. Okay, now Akuma INU does have a very well detailed white paper as well as a website and social media platforms such as Telegram and Twitter, where we are always updating our community with new and innovative ideas to help progress the success of Akuma. Okay, I will later on share with you their official Twitter handling as well. Okay, so technical overviews. What are the technical overviews? Akuma INU was launched on the base network Aka, the builder's chain, to establish a solid foundation and community on one of the most promising blockchains for the future of crypto. So, guys, this exclusive airdrop is going to be add a fun as well as spice in the future of crypto. Okay, Akuma INU has already reached the number 2 meme coin spot. I think the number 1 is Doge one, no? Anybody wanted to share? I think number 1 is Doge one. So number 2, no less than 60 days, it has introduced and it has grabbed the second position. So can you imagine its popularity, guys? Can you imagine its popularity? Via market cap valuation on the base chain and has every intention to be number 1 during this bull run. So they have cleared out that they have every intention to be number 1 during this bull run. So what's your opinion? Are you going to claim this exclusive airdrop or not? Please tell me, guys. According to my POV, you should not miss out this important exclusive airdrop. Okay, as I have read out their aim, visions, and I must say, key this has come in the market with different strategies. Okay, and to develop the crypto world, Muhangi UID. Okay, I got you, Muhangi. Your UID, I got you. So token allocation, community 100%, TGE 100%. So both of them are 100%. Good project. Thank you, Biba. Thank you for your lovely comment. I hope you are loving this live session. And thank you so much for your lovely comment about this project. Thank you. Okay, so hold GT and claim for free. Alright guys, hold GT and claim for free. Guys, the subscription time is decreasing and only left hour is 19 hour. Okay, only left hour is 19 hour, 39 minute. So please guys, don't delay and just go and claim this wonderful Akuma INU project. Okay, so let me share some risk warning with you. You all know that in every project there are some risk warning. Okay, so it's my duty to share this risk warning with you as well. So that startup project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risks. Advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risks of crypto asset investments. The volatility of market is high and the price of token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and marketing factors, etc. Users may not be able to withdraw all the purchased token due to technical issues of the project or get.io. So guys, listed below are the 4 important risk warnings which I have shared with you. All right, you can go through this risk warning in the get.io platform as well. Now, this is live pilot wine USDT. So this is the live graph of the, you can get this graph on the wine. Okay, so this is the सोल का यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा होगा इसका. ऑलराइट, अभी की प्राइस की बात की जाए तो इट इज 0.38499. ऑलराइट गाइज, अपवर्ड की प्राइस की अगर बात की जाए तो ये यहाँ पर ऑलराइट पायलट वाइन यूएसडीटी लास्ट 15 मिनट्स की देखी जाए तो आप देख सकते हो ये यहाँ पर इंक्रीज करता हुआ दिख रहा है. पायलट माइन यहाँ से यहाँ तक की अगर बात की जाए तो इट इज इंक्रीजिंग लास्ट 15 मिनट्स की अगर बात की जाए तो. ऑलराइट, एंड लास्ट 1 मिनट्स की बात की जाए तो आप देख सकते हो कुछ इस तरीके का यहाँ पे पायलट माइन का यहाँ पे ग्राफ हमें दिख रहा है. इन्फो में जाना चाहें हम तो let us. So wine, what is this wine token? Wine token was launched at the Ray Truss, the founder of Vine. Vine was a popular short video app in 2012 but was shut down in 2016. Elon Musk said he was considering restarting Vine, which sparked community discussions. डिस्क्लेमर था यहाँ पे. मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन दे हैव शेयर्ड देयर कॉन्टैक्ट एड्रेस एज वेल एंड ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ऑफ दिस वाइन. ओके, सो दिस वाज important and I need to share this wine information with you. Okay, सोलाना वाइन सोल. सो सोलाना के अंदर ये प्रोजेक्ट आता है आपका वाइन कर एक प्रोजेक्ट है. इसकी आप देख सकते हो सीज पोटेंशियल टोकन्स. ओके, पोटेंशियल टोकन्स. Alright guys, so these are the pilot wine. Get.io, Pilot, Solana, Wine, Coin, Wine. ये इन इसका वाइन यूएसडी. Okay. Now, wanted to share some this get.io का स्टार्टअप में जब आप जाओगे, आप जब get.io के एक्स पे जाओगे तो यहाँ पे आपको अकूमा के बारे में पूरा डिटेल्स दिया हुआ है. दे आर गिवन द डिटेल्स अबाउट द अकूमा. सो they have posted this on January 21 about this exclusive GT holder exclusive airdrop. So GT holder exclusive dollar Akuma from pilot section is live. Akuma INU Prime. Hold no less than $10 GT to share $30,000 Akuma. The more dollar GT holding, the more free airdrops. Timeline is given here, guys. 9 a.m. It had started on January 22nd and it will end on 9 a.m. Jan 24 UTC. You can claim on get.io startup 2192. I had already shared the details with you, but if you want to go easily to the get.io website and easily wanted to claim, so you can go to your X account, you write down the get.io startup. They have posted about this exclusive airdrop. Okay, about this exclusive. And the trading time will start at 1 p.m. guys, from tomorrow onwards, Jan 24 UTC. Okay, Jan 24 UTC. Okay, trading यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. And more, if you wanted to know more about this, you can go through this article as well, but I had already shared all the important information with you. Seize potential tokens, get.io platform. Now, it is their official website, guys. Akuma INU ka, if you'll see, it is their official website. Okay, got my point? Official website, आप देख सकते हो इनका logo यहाँ पर, and Akuma INU Prime. So Akuma, the big dog on base, यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है based Akuma, Linktree based Akuma. Community founder Akuma, यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है God Breaker. Community founder are what coins are trading. Let me check out what coins are trading. Stay connected. GT is trading. You get user. What's your name? Fish. Okay, Fish. GT is trending. God is trending. Okay. So these are the some important coins which are trending. Okay. Need follower gift, I think. Muhengi need follower gift, I think. Okay, I got you. Okay, so yeah, Akuma community founder, unfeeling god destroyer, builder of worlds. Akuma maxi breaker of various blockchain pundit and space breaker. Okay, Mimeland, it is their official website, and I had already shared their official website with you. They have joined on December 2024. Okay, they have joined on December 2024. Okay, guys. And they have 141 followings and 71.3k followers. How to get airdrop? How to get this airdrop? You get user. you have to okay, you just reach out this get.io platform on X. Okay, here the ID is get.io underscore startup page. Okay, there you will see ye wala page. Okay, there you will see this page. Okay, and you can claim, yahan se you can claim this project. Okay, get user, you can claim yahan se. Okay, let me open this. So this page will get open. Once you click on this, this page will get open, and from here you can claim this. But first you need to done with your KYC verification on get.io platform, and you have to hold 10, no less than 10 GT on your asset spot. Okay, asset spot. Then you can claim this airdrop. Okay, get user, you got my point? If not, then please tell me. I will again explain to you and help you out to get this airdrop. You please tell me, okay? I'm here to help you and assist you. Please tell me. If not, you got, then I will tell you. Yahan pe, it is easy to go to the their official X handling, and you just click. You need to just click on this, and you can claim. So it is, I have already shared. If anybody wanted to know more about Akuma, and if somebody wanted to read about this exclusive airdrop by your own, so here given their official website. Okay, yes, I got it. The problem is the wallet is empty. Okay. So I can't help in that. You need to have at least no less than 10 GT. All right. Any help, get user, you want me to help? Any help you want from me? Please tell me. Okay, so official website is given. They are joining, that is December 2024. They have 141 followings, 71.3k followers they have. Okay, so Akuma INU Prime. All right, I hope ki you have I have given enough information to you about this exclusive airdrop. And if not, then please tell me. Okay, please tell me. I will again try to make you understand and give you some short disclaimer about this wonderful project. Okay, so project and the startups. Okay, startup FAQs were there, and there I have missed out some FAQs about GT holder exclusive का airdrop का FAQs. So यहाँ तो मैंने ये explain कर दिया था ना. What are the requirements to participate in GT holder exclusive airdrop claim? So participants must complete KYC to verification and hold no less than 10 GT. Hold at least no less than 10 GT to qualify for 100% GT holder exclusive free airdrop. Hold greater than 10 GT with spot asset not less than 10 USD to participate in the lucky draw of GT holder exclusive free airdrop with a chance to receive free airdrop tokens. Now, यहाँ पे एक important था. Is there a lockup period for the subscribed GT? Again, Biba, you have joined. Welcome again. Welcome, Biba. Generally, GT tokens contributed by participants have no lockup period. Okay, they have no lockup periods. Okay, how many share can I claim? Okay, guys, how many share you can claim for GT holders with greater than or equals to 10 GT? The allocation of available shares varies from different projects and the specific shares are subject to project announcement. Each users can claim up to 3,000 shares per project, provided they hold at least 10 GT. For GT holders with greater than 10 GT, they can participate in the GT holding exclusive free airdrop lucky draw with no less than 10 USD spot assets. A portion of lucky users will be randomly selected from each project, and the airdrop quotas will be distributed evenly among them. The total airdrop amount depends on the project with no fixed number of winners or the winning amounts. So winner is not fixed and the winning amounts is not fixed. Okay. यहाँ पे तो मैंने ये सारा शेयर किया था. Okay. So one question is also everybody asked कि if I have participated, I am guaranteed to receive tokens in the end. So this question is very much important. Okay. If somebody like you, those who have joined my live session, अगर आप लोगों में से if somebody have participated, so kya there is a guaranteed to receive tokens in the end. So hold greater than 10 GT to qualify for a 100% GT holder exclusive free airdrop, but you still need to hold no less than 10 GT when distribution happens. Hold 10 GT with spot assets not less than 10 USD to participate in the lucky draw of GT holder exclusive free airdrops with a chance to receive free airdrop tokens. Okay. When will I know the results of my subscriptions? Okay. The final subscription results will be announced before trading begins. Alright guys, once you have subscribed, then how will you know that you know the results of your subscriptions? So will be announced before trading begins. You can check the result in my spot account or subscriptions history. Alright. So this was about some FAQs about GT holder exclusive airdrops. I hope I have guided you in a very well-mannered way. I have guided you properly. If not, then please tell me guys. And if anybody still have any question and wanted to ask me any question related to this airdrop, please guys feel free to ask me. Okay. I hope I have guided you in a very proper way. Okay. And have given you enough information about this project. Alright. Do anybody have any question? No? Alright. So this was about Akuma INU project. Okay. This was about Akuma INU, which is AKUMA INU. Fennel. Welcome, Fennel. Very lately you have joined this session. This session is about to end now. Alright. So, this was exclusive airdrop for GT holders. And I hope I have properly guided you about this airdrop. And guys, you can still timeline is given here. The within 19 hours 20 minutes you can claim, you can start your subscriptions now, and within the time frame of 19 hours 20 minutes, okay, 19 hours 20 minutes after subscriptions done, the trading will start from 1 a.m. UTC from tomorrow. Okay, so please guys, don't left behind and hold GT and claim for free this wonderful, very exclusive airdrop for GT holders. All right. So guys, I would like to thank everybody who have joined this today's live session. I hope guys you have loved this live session. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live session, and I would like to welcome each and everyone for my next live session. Okay, so have a nice day guys.